this is Dr. Amrita, and today on my show you're going to listen to something which is very close to my heart. It's about insurance, more specifically health insurance. Whether to have it or not is no longer the question. The question is, how soon should you have it and what should you look at before finding the health insurance that your family and your loved one needs. Being healthy is the most important thing that you can do for yourself. Next comes having a good health insurance. Why do you think we should think about having health insurance? You have money in the bank, you're healthy and everything's fine, right? The problem is in India, 60% of death is due to non-communicable diseases. These are lifestyle diseases like cancer. These are cardiovascular disease, cancer, chronic lung disease and diabetes. The risk factors for all these 4 diseases are alcohol, tobacco, poor diet, no exercise and poor lifestyle choices. 80% of non-communicable disease is due to either cancer, cardiovascular problems, diabetes or chronic lung disease. This is a very important thing that we have to remember when we are looking at why we need a robust health insurance. If your company is providing you with a group insurance, you should always be a part of that. That's very important. But having your own personal insurance to cover your healthcare needs for your family and for yourself and for any other family member who needs specialized care is very important. If you by any chance change your job, you don't want to be in a period of time where you have no insurance cover. How did I choose my own health insurance? I tried to look for a company which had a very good and high claim settlement ratio. You should check for that. You should check online reviews to see how they treat their customers, whether they listen to problems, grievances, how is the grievance redressal system. That's very important to know. You should also see whether they have room rent capping, whether they provide cashless hospitalization facilities, whether they are flexible with reaching out to customers when there is a problem with the service or something, like whether they are helping the customer actively or not, whether they have extra benefits when you are not using the insurance. That is, most of the time they do have, that is whether they are increasing the coverage amount or slashing the premium amount in case you are not using the insurance for a particular year. Generally even that is capped and you should know the amount by which it is capped. So all these things should be kept in mind when you are looking for a good general health insurance. There's some other things that you should know about. There's something called the super top-up health insurance. There's something called the top-up health insurance. There's a fixed benefit health insurance, which is also known as a critical cover health insurance. These are all specialized health insurances which give you benefit in certain circumstances. Whichever you are looking for, it is important to know a good general cover health insurance is much needed for each and every family. After that, according to your requirement, you can add with a fixed benefit or a critical illness cover or something else like a top-up or a super top-up if you require it. But you should not be without a health insurance. That's very important. The most important thing is your health and a healthy lifestyle, and next comes a good health insurance.